you have the autograph of Ron Duncombe in there, you've won $100. Bring it up to the VIP tower to claim your $100 in cash. If you have the autograph of Ron Duncombe, the Maverick Monster Truck driver, in your Extreme Kinetic ad in your program, you have just won $100.
All right, race fans, here we go. It is El Matador, the big Chevrolet in the right-hand lane. In the left-hand lane, your local hometown boy from right up the road in Willard. It's the Iron Outlaw. Let me hear it, Chevrolet fans, for El Matador. Let me hear it for the Iron Outlaw. On the Iron Outlaw, that rotor is still glowing bright red. It's just completely molten. He was on that brake so hard into the corner. Is that official up there? Because we had cones down.
Well, once again, we are still waiting on our $100 winner. Open up your programs to the Extreme Kinetic ad in your program. You have got the signature of Ron Duncombe on the Extreme Kinetic ad. You are